5 crazy Ray-Ban Meta accessories you've probably never heard of. We are going to start out simple and then we are going to get crazier. If you do enjoy this video, please throw a like down there. But let's get right into it. So this first accessory you would think exists, but you wouldn't really know it to this extent, and these are replacement lenses. The best brand for this is Apex. Links to all the products in this video down below, but these are 3 different colors. I have a 4th, which is the transitions from clear to dark, 20 total colors in both regular size and large size, depending on the size of glasses you got. I have an entire video about these, but they are really nice, really crazy, really cheap. They can go all the way down to $35 for replacement lenses, which particularly for the transitions is a crazy deal if you want to get those and put them in your Ray-Ban Metas that don't have transitions and get a way better deal than buying transitions from Ray-Ban Meta outright. This is what the rose gold color looks like. If you want to see a full video on them, again, I have all 3 of the different colors below. I have a separate video for the transitions, and if you want to know how to replace the lenses themselves, I also have a tutorial for that. But let's get to the next product. So these come together in the same order, 2 separate boxes. They are authentic Ray-Ban, see certified Ray-Ban seller. We have a cleaning cloth, obviously, with the Ray-Ban logo on there. And then what we have that is really nice is this classic, beautiful Ray-Ban case. To be in more style than the original case, you can use this. The logo on here is really great. I'll show you how the glasses fit inside, but they just go right in there like that, and they fit perfectly. Honestly, it's just a really great style addition. The second box that came in this, a little smaller of a case here, actually has an authentic Ray-Ban lens cleaner. Plus one more crazy thing I'll show you in a second. Pretty simple, you open it, spray your lenses on the front there, and then wipe it with a cleaning cloth. This will get it extremely clean, which mine have needed for quite some time now. Take it off and it is nice and crisp and really clear now. Wow, that is so exciting. The next thing that it actually has inside of this box is pretty wild. This is for all you people that like modding your gear. I just want to show you one last time that this is an authentic Ray-Ban case. Really, really cool there. And this little carabiner item here is a multi-tool. So it can go into your keychain really easily or wherever you want. And it has everything that you need to completely take apart your Ray-Ban Meta glasses if you want to, whether this is for repairs or to do something unique with your glasses. Now this may void the warranty, but it is a really cool accessory to have if you are a pretty technical person. And this all comes in this one kit. So the lens cleaner, the authentic Ray-Ban cases, the multi-tool to take apart your glasses completely, an authentic Ray-Ban cleaning cloth, and obviously this classic case, which again just looks really beautiful. Both of these cases do. On to the next product. And this is for people who want to have more of a techie cool feel. So obviously I showed you that case, which makes it look really cool, but it does not charge the glasses, unfortunately. That's where this comes in. Now you could use your standard boring old Ray-Ban Meta case, or you could put your glasses on display. That's where this charger comes in. Cord is USB-A to USB-C. It's a good length. Obviously you can use any USB-C plug-in type cord that you have. It goes in the back there, and then on the front, you'll see this is where it charges. So if I just put the glasses like this, again, the back is going to hang over the side here, and then press down on the front, they are charging and they look really cool. You can set these up anywhere on your desk and they'll just be doing this little thing looking at you while they charge. Honestly, this is really cool. This is better than I was expecting. I really like this. Next is something that maybe not a lot of people use yet, and that is this accessory kit. This has everything you need as a traditional owner of these glasses. Particularly, it has a lot of things that will make them way more comfortable for you. Starting with this little clip that goes onto the back of the glasses. Open up your glasses, and these obviously connect to the back of your glasses here. The cool thing about these is they are adjustable. So I pull out this end, you can see it adjusts depending on how big around your head might be. We also have a ton of fresh lens wipes in here, like so many. This is basically a first aid kit for your glasses with comfort in mind. And we have comfort extensions. They're basically like socks for your glasses to comfort your ears, and they are really soft. For those, you just slide them onto the end here like a literal sock, and you just squeeze it on down. And wow, the comfort is night and day on this side compared to this side. That is crazy. They're like little socks. I never would have thought of this, but this is so comfortable. Also, a really great feature is they have this really little tiny notch here, so that when it's pushed all the way down, it's still easy to take off. And in case you do lose those, they have an extra pair of those as well. Finally, we have the nose bridge accessories. Plenty of extras here in case you mess it up. All you do is peel off the sticker and stick this right where the nose bridge is. This will allow it to more comfortably hug your nose in case you feel like it maybe slips down too often. Super easy. Final note, it's really nice that all these accessories fit in this really, really tiny, light little box. Finally, we have my favorite accessory of all time, probably the best value, and that is these clip-on polarized lenses. Mine came in a 4-pack, so we have the mirrored black silver, the mirrored ice blue, the mirrored fire yellow, and the mirrored purple. These are extremely easy. All you do is clip the top notch on the top of the glasses and then clip the bottom 2 notches, and you have incredibly stylish Ray-Ban Meta sunglasses to fit any occasion with a variety of different colors. So these cost me around $30 for all 4 of them. You can also get 2 packs if you want to spend cheaper, and there's a ton of different colors available. So I will have all those different color options in the description, as well as all of these other accessories and all the different color options that they have. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I freaking love all of the accessories in this video, but these are by far my favorites. If you have a favorite or an accessory that I haven't heard of, let me know in the comments. I have tons of Ray-Ban Meta videos out and coming out. So if you want to know everything Ray-Ban Meta, subscribe. Check out my library. And I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and that you enjoy these glasses as much as I did.